我哪被束缚在这个世上缺乏主流歌手的 vocal。以前你别想太多，容易被困住。去年年初老子写的歌。
It's your boys, name is Suave, keep the picture, cause you know what it is, man.
他们想不到，我的兄弟谈笑，你们谈不到。E17的 EMI Force 我的兄弟，过年和我无关，是老辈 falling down。
我把伴奏刷成我的 bro， 讨人如何把钱赚了。他们在 rapping for the fakes， 我来一锅端了。连伴奏的鼓都搞不定，整天研究创作，基本功都刷不明白，还玩新的真的算了。Which way boy， 我们要拍出下一张专辑。曾经接触的老师同学，他们都非常的好奇，他们很好奇我为何那么焦急。我回到 studio， 把每一个拍子踩到了脚底。不知道挂的冰箱的酸，平台的数据我换成了 cash， 他们太水，I don't care， 伴奏的我就想战士。Dirty money gang gang， 只有让你学。
Like said, bro, yo, it's really amazing. Really amazing. Chat, it might take a colored taxi. Let me try it out, cause I really don't trust these niggas, bro. I feel like they might drop me, bro, if I take the taxi to Mowbray. I'm from Woodstock, bro. Like I'm attending a class. The shuttle just left me and it's raining. It's really been raining, bro. So I really gotta attend the class. Really gotta attend. I've been taking these taxis, but I don't trust these guys.
Young boy. Kaya mo ay magtitip. Young boy.
I just got off the taxi, bro. The colored taxi, like I just got off and the rain caught me, bro. Look at my jacket, bro. Look at my jacket. Rain really caught me, but I ran. What the fuck? Light. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, no. I'm fucked up, bro. I'm really fucked up. Look at the rain, bro. Really? Where people at? Look at my boots. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Where people at, bro? Oh no, bro. Yo, bro. I'm fucked up. Yo, bro, like, it's not like that, bro. I wish I could got the people where they at, bro. Let me go to the library, bro. Yeah, fuck, bro. Yo, bro, like. Yo, bro, like, I'm really chilling, bro. I'm in library and people were really looking at me when I do my shit and everything, bro. And I'm really scared that people are really looking at me. Nah, bro. Nah. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm in library, bro. Really be chilling. The rain got me, got my ass, bro. I'm really wet. Trying to make myself not wet, bro, cause really wanna be dry, bro. You really got me, bro. I'm really wet as well. Look at my bro. It's really wet, bro. I'm cold, bro. I might catch a flu cause it's really a winter, bro. I might catch a fever, but I've been really trying to motivate myself nowadays, bro, cause I'm really gonna catch the flu or like catch everything, and I've been really chilling at my own zone, bro. I've been really chilling at my time. Yeah, I guess it what it is, bro. It's like that. We really need to make some shit happen together, bro. We really need to make some shit, bro, man. The reason I started this YouTube channel, bro. The reason I started, I'm gonna be naming it Plug as a Cars. I wanna rename my YouTube channel Plug as a Cars because I really wanna connect with people from the cars because I'm from the cars, bro. And it's like that. And bro, I'm not really in the mood now because I'm really wet and I think I might develop the flu. So I'm just saying this because I just disappeared anyway, type of way, and I'm moved, bro. And I might switch this off because I really be feeling overwhelmed. People see me, bro. They really
他们不敢见，要让每个音乐平台歌曲数据开始变现。我现在可以把我说过的话全部应验。我回顾我的兄弟，他们听的都是流行，现在都被我影响，开始播放我的音乐。
It's no brand new job， 我哪被束缚在这个世上缺乏主流歌手的 vocal。请你别想太多，容易被困住。去年年初老子写的歌还历历在目。Yeah， I don't wanna fuck man， 他们想不到，我的兄弟谈 self， 你们找不到。17的 year my phone 是我的兄弟，过年和我无关，should I be falling down？
昨晚工作室的蚊子真的有点多了，痒的控制不住，把我的腿抓破。放个指甲有没有痒？录的时候带着个带走，做了个梦，我竟然还把我的自拍锁在了手。Hold on cash out， 上面脑残的比脸，黑框亮过的 big cash， 我每年都会做体检。For rest I'm not fuck，
我的车来福的皮鞋 I cost hundreds for boys during my senior days I wanna Prada shoes, now we can get it late
Only grass by back on my back and the front. Which one get that like drip and follow to her? Yeah, I found my two-step 一寸的地下透过不用再去体会 Only one can 不想从买卡地把生活变有趣是走之前的准备
It's no brand new job， 我哪被束缚在这个世上缺乏主流歌手的 vocal 请你别想太多，容易被困
Was in the classroom as you see, man. Subscribe on the channel, bro. Subscribe on the channel.
去年年初老子写的歌还历历在目 Yeah, I don't wanna
I might take a video with you all, chat.
我的兄弟谈 self， 你们找不到
I'll be really chilling. Other things I don't have to do them on the camera, bro. You might get a drip ban. Let me get a drip banning, bro. Let me get a drip banning, bitch ass nigga. Let me stop them, bro. Cause I really like spending time alone, bro. Really like spending time alone, cause people be really messing the shit around, nigga. I'm telling you, if you spend your time alone, I'm telling you, every shit is going to happen.
Let's just say the 3 times 2 makes it. Let's just say the 7 minus 1 makes it. Right around the 6. Like it. Auto tuning up and groovin, dancing stupid like it. Like it. Like it. Damn, I wish it was Drake. Damn, I wish it was Drake. Damn, I wish it was Drake.
Man, it's like I'm getting lost.
You know what's going on, young turn trigger. I don't care about what it's